Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Aloe Propolis Creme effectively. First, ensure your skin is thoroughly cleansed before application. This prepares your skin to absorb the beneficial ingredients. Next, take a small amount, roughly the size of a pea, onto your fingertips. Then, gently massage the cream onto your desired skin areas, whether it's your face or body, until it is completely absorbed. It's a simple first step to healthier-looking skin. Aloe Propolis Creme offers numerous benefits for your skin. It provides deep moisturization and nourishment, leaving your skin feeling soft without any greasy residue. This unique blend also helps to soothe irritation, reduce redness, and calm minor inflammatory processes. Furthermore, it creates a protective barrier on your skin, locking in moisture and shielding it from environmental stressors. Enriched with essential vitamins A, E, and C, it actively supports healthy cell renewal and offers valuable antioxidant protection. For optimal results, you can apply Aloe Propolis Creme liberally to clean skin as often as needed. Many find it beneficial to use it 2 or 3 times daily. To enhance its effects, consider using a skin activator product beforehand. This can help open your pores, allowing for deeper penetration. This versatile cream is perfect for both your face and body, providing excellent care for areas like your hands and feet, which often require extra attention. Here are some important tips for using your Aloe Propolis Creme. Its rich, thick formula makes it particularly beneficial for very dry or rough skin, providing intense hydration. You'll be pleased to know it is suitable for most skin types, including those that are sensitive or prone to damage. Additionally, it works wonderfully as a post-shaving treatment, helping to soothe and moisturize your skin, leaving it feeling comfortable and smooth. Enjoy the nourishing benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.